Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Saya Ramadan Sairi. And this occasion, I want to making a video tutorial about the VLAN access configuration in Cisco. And before that, we must know about the VLAN. What is the VLAN? VLAN is the virtual network, local area network, are essential for the signal network and information security. Today, we'll go step by step to configure VLAN access mode on Cisco switch. Let's get started. And logical of VLAN is logical network that group devices together regardless of their physical location. VLAN help reduce broadcast domain and instant security. There are two main VLAN modes. There is access and trunk. Access mode is used for the end device like the PC, printer, and its other in the end device. Its port in access mode belong to a single VLAN. And for the trunk mode is used for the switch communication and carries multiple VLANs. For the access mode, just simple thing access mode. You just see like there are some this one switch and then have the end device. So end device there is so many of end device. There is some PC, laptop, server, and printer, IP, phone, voice device, phone, TV, tablet, and so many others. We have the two PC, and we have the four PC, and this is the topology of VLAN. For the simple is just VLAN like the have the grouping. This the area local area networks for this network will be making the some VLAN virtual local area network for his area, just like the PC0, PC1 is the VLAN 10, and then the PC0 and the PC2 is the VLAN 12, 20. Okay, and then for the trunk mode is used for switch to switch communication. Yes, we have the two switch. There will be communication with the switch 0 to the switch 1. He will be trunk mode like just have the uh virtual line, but the line of copper crossover with the have the communication. Now he will the switch will be connecting to the switch, or just we have the communication not with the router. We can use the switch will be trunk mode. Just we have the switch, the switch, or we can communication with that switch, or like just checking the package, the neck bar, or something like that. Okay, we do not need to switch. No. Alright, let's start configuration VLANs or Cisco switch. The specific of this tutorial is the Cisco access, and follow this step carefully. We will make this topology. There are 4 PC and 1 switch. Now we're gonna to connect it to the switch and fast internet 0/1 and the PC 0, fast internet 0/2 and the PC 1, and he will be VLAN 10, and then fast internet 0/3 in the PC 2, and then fast internet 04/4 in the PC 3. Okay, and he will be the VLAN 20. Now we're gonna do into the switch configuration. In the switch, we're going to CLI and then enable configuration, configure terminal, enter. Configuration terminal, configuration terminal. Okay, conft. We are already in to mod configuration. Okay, next. Now we got to in the interface for the fast internet 0/1 until /2, and then range interface range. He will be getting the interface range 1 and 2. He can combine fast internet 0/1 until 2, and then now we're gonna do giving the switch mode access, switch port mode access. What the function switch port mode access? We will be can access the switch from the PC, and then the PC can ping the switch. Then given the switch port access VLAN 10. Oh yeah. Before that, I will giving the VLAN first. VLAN 10. This is for the name salesman, and then VLAN 20 for the IT. Man. Then exit. Go back to the interface range. Now we're gonna to giving the switch port VLAN 10. Switch port access VLAN 10. Switch port access VLAN for he giving the access for the VLAN 10. Okay, then now we're gonna do the interface arrange FA 0/3 until 4. Okay, now we get the switch port giving mode access, and then giving the switch port access VLAN 20. Okay, then we're gonna to exit. Now we're gonna to giving the IP address to the PC all PC. First PC 0, desktop and IP configuration. This is the IP address is 10 10 10 10. Subnet mask is 25 25 0 0 0. It is the slash 24. And don't forget to giving the subnet mask and then the IP. Now get on to uh going to the PC to the PC1 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 desktop IP configuration 10 10 10 20. And subnet mask is 2025. Okay, close. Now go to PC2, click it, open it, and then to the PC2, giving the IP and subnet mask 20 12 20 20 20. Then subnet mask 24. Then the PC3 20 20 20 30. Okay. Now get on to the close IP configuration. Go to the command prompt. We'll check it if it's working or no. Ping 20 20 20 20. Okay. The ping static for 20 20 20. Packet sent is 4 receiving and the loss 0. This is the successful. Now get on to the PC and VLAN 10. VLAN 10 and then ping 10 10 10 10. Okay. Ping static for 10 10 10 10. Packet sent is 4 received and the 4 and the loss is 0. This is a successful for the ping. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thank you, sir. I'm sorry if there are mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment in the below. Don't forget to turn on the notification. And see you guys in the next tomorrow or next video. Bye guys.